I thought 8:30 पे class में
HR के 2 टेस्ट है.
swelling coming on my eyelid.
Met you on a Sunday, wind blowing in my face, heading for true love. Our lace set the pace. We walked into the future, holding hands we embraced. In the thrill of the moment, we live for the chase. This love is taking control of me, but I let it, I absolutely let it. And you get me, you absolutely get me. And I love it, I absolutely love it. It's been about a year now, can tell you how I feel now. But whenever you are near, boy, I'm still giddy somehow.
So turns out my class is actually at 9:30 and I literally have no explanation to why I thought 8:30 पे class है.
I threw in my towel, I'm yours until the last hour. To have a
हॉस्टल की चाय गंदी थी, इसलिए मैंने आदत लगाया.
so hold, I promise not to cower. This love is taking control of me.
So हमारी entrepreneurship की मैम ने ये मेल भेजी है which says
This is to inform you that,
due to unforeseen circumstances,
comma,
full stop. So either class cancel हो गई है
या
या
टेस्ट.
कल का टेस्ट कैंसिल.
और गाइस ऊपर से हम 9:30 क्लास के लिए 8:45 से बैठे हैं यहाँ कॉलेज में,
क्योंकि मुझे लगा 8:30.
क्योंकि हम वेरी ओवर पंक्चुअल स्टूडेंट्स हैं.
But I let it, I absolutely let it. And you get me, you absolutely get me. And I love it, I absolutely love it.
So I came back from college around 1. उसके बाद I took a short nap of 30 to 45 minutes. उसके बाद lunch किया and then I came back to study. So I started with what I was doing in the morning. जिगल का जो chapter मेरा बचा था remaining part वो किया. And now I'm continuing CSR chapter in company law test, which is tomorrow. I have an entrepreneurship test tomorrow. जिसके notes I made in the morning. So I will study that after dinner. So that's the plan.
This love is taking control of me, but I let it, I absolutely let it. And you get me, you absolutely get me. And I love it, I absolutely love it. This love is taking control of me, but I let it, I absolutely let it. And you get me, you absolutely get me. And I love it, I absolutely love it.
Hi करो.
Cherries, Lorraine. Ooh, cherries, Lorraine. Cherries, cherries, Lorraine, Lorraine.
Today I realized 45 days exactly for me to turn 20. Like I've always done this countdown, 60 days, 90 days with my parents, and this time I've not done it. I just realized it today morning and I was like, wow, I did not have this in my mind. Even this was not even the last thing I had in my mind.
She smiles with the sun and laughs in the rain. Yeah, yeah. If you see her, tell her to come back here again.
So I just quickly wanted to share with you this assignment that I'm working on. So it's basically very interesting. It's an assignment in performance management, which is an elective in my human resource specialization. So basically this project is about, we have to read a few articles, about 7 to 8 articles from the Harvard Business Review, and then we have to write about them and present it in the class. Basically I'm picking up some topics which are not very much discussed about, something which happens in the real world but we are not aware about. So those case studies I'm reading, and I'm also adding a pinch of corporate governance texture onto my project. Basically how corporate governance has been leading the way ahead for human resource management. So that's something based on my creativity, how I like to tweak this project a bit. So I'm really interested in this now, and I'm really excited to present this in my class as well.
She smiles with the sun and laughs in the rain. Yeah, yeah. If you see her, tell her to come back here again.
So I am back from college. Entrepreneurship test was pretty good. Tomorrow I have HR में 2 tests. One subject is called performance management and second is called managerial competencies and career development. So ये 2 subjects के मेरे tests है. But my first priority today is also the tax lectures of CS which are pending since a week. तो वो भी मुझे करना है. So today I will do that.
She smiles with the sun and laughs in the rain. Yeah, yeah. If you see her, tell her to come back here again. Sunrise paints the window pane. You're standing quiet in the frame. Your coffee's black, held in your hand. A rumpled shirt, I understand. That weary look behind your eyes reflects my own forgotten skies. A silent language passing through in shades both old and strangely.
So I am done for the tests for this week. And I started working on my assignment as soon as I came back from college, and while I was doing it I literally noticed there is a swelling coming in my eyelid, which is a clear sign that I need to just sleep. I feel so tired, I feel so sleep deprived at this point कि आज मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है. Even the assignment I think I should put it on hold and just finish it tomorrow क्योंकि कल रात की deadline है. So I can just comfortably finish it tomorrow, but right now I am just going to sleep. I really feel the disclaimer of this video should be, please do not try this at home because it has been such a hectic day for me. Not just today, like all these 3 days it has been so hectic, I cannot tell you. So yeah, we will call it an end to this vlog right over here, and thank you so much for making it till here. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye bye.
And knowing you, I see myself like in an open book upon the shelf, holding stories I might know, seeds just waiting for a place to grow. It's in the